Gotta change these wheels. Dude, you're not gonna wait? Go, just go.
I knew you were gonna come up.
Gear down, gear up.
Did you just roll?
Yeah.
Crazy guy. Going up.
I had to be able to waste time to slow myself down to be able to keep up with you. Whoa, sagging.
Oh, me or
Yeah,
you?
you.
Yeah, I was a little bit.
That thing whips even without thrust vectoring. I mean, it's like it has it. Woo-wee! That's the first fast pass I've seen that thing do.
That was cool. That was really cool.
Kind of moved at the last second. I'm not using any throttle. Mine was off completely. Which one?
Wanna go up?
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Do some high alpha. The wind is right out,
Alpha right here.
right
Look at this baby.
down the runway. See if I can get over there with you.
Alright, coming downwind. I'm gonna pull out.
Okay. And that thing whips.
It whips really good. Like Will Smith.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I'm just dropping.
Oh, nice. You were much lower.
I dropped.
Very nice.
I was at about 100 feet and it just dropped like 50 like that. What are you doing? Okay.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Nice.
Woohoo! Alright, fast downwind. climb on that thing.
Dude, it does work.
I can't turn that tight. No matter what I do, I cannot turn that tight.
1 minute over.
It sags its butt, but it will not turn.
Rudder. I hit rudder. That's why it did that. But it does turn pretty nice.
Time over. 1 minute 19 seconds.
This thing
It's
is
really
amazing.
effective.
Dude, look at this.
God, who's texting? I gotta up the rudder on mine. Oh shit, okay. I gotta come in. Just to be safe, I'm pushing it. Ha!
2 minutes over.
This thing is a blast.
Which one? The F-16?
Both. I mean, mine and yours, but you can do more with yours. But this thing's still pretty maneuverable too. Damn, Hellcat. There goes the wind. I know. Making the most of it. Yeah, because it's gonna rain a lot starting tonight. Nice, Frankie. Very cool.
Not this time. Okay.
That was
So,
cool.
look at this ridiculousness. 422.
Hmm.
330.
That's over 8 minutes.
8 minutes. Take a minute for taxing and whatever. It's like
What's your telemetry?
my telemetry is at, let's see. Oh, it's pretty, no, that's min-max. 22.2.
22.2, that's perfect.
It's not bad.
And you weren't flying like crazy laid back. You're
No, I was kind of crazy.
you got a
laid
few
back
fast
crazy.
passes in there, and
Yeah, that 6,000 is doing a good job in there. I don't like this gyro.
which one?
It's a A3L, but I think I might have done it wrong because every time I plug it in, it does this red thing and it doesn't activate, like nothing works. And then I plug it in, and then,
And then it
works.
comes.
And in flight, the place like completely locks out.
Ooh,
Like,
no.
like when I sign, like if I go up and do it like this, it completely locks out. And it's weird.